Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate payment request from a job or shipment in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to open the respective job or shipment for which you need to generate payment request. Now, the job page will be displayed on the screen. On this page, we have to click the costing tab. Then we have to click the add button. On this costing page, we have to select the charge. And enter the required details. Now we have to select the vendor name. Here we have to enter the cost amount. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the save and close button. Now we have to click the generate voucher button. On this voucher creation wizard list page, we have to select the voucher type as payment request. Here we have to select the organization name from the drop down menu. Then we have to click the next button. Now we have to select the voucher date and GL date. Then we have to click the next button. In charge details, we have to select the respective cost charges to generate payment request. Then we have to click the next button. In the summary page, we have to click the finish button to generate the payment request voucher. Now the payment request voucher is generated. You can view the payment request voucher by clicking the report button. On this list of reports page, we have to select the required format. Now the report will be opened. You can take the printout by clicking the print button. This is how to generate payment request from a job or shipment in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.